Welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to explain how to model a leaned roof house. It means simple house. Here I have put some dimensions and put a sample sketch for this. And our window is 1.2 into 1.5 meters and door 1.05 into 2.1. These are our openings. And our bowl height is 3 meters is minimum. So let's go to start our modeling. First you have to activate this 3D model. So if you couldn't see this, click on this workspace switching and go to 3D modeling. This automatically change this interface. In this interface now I have to draw bowl. So here I already drawn in polyline. So this is a object. So you have to draw it very easily. So click on polysolid and go to height. So height is 3 meters, then enter. Width is 0.1, enter. The thickness of ball, then justify, go to center. If these measurements are in center to center, then I have to draw above this line. But even though the simple method is there, so click on this object and select this object. This automatically converted to balls. As you can see here. So go to view and view cube, then activate it. Here you can see this. If you want to see the conceptual view, go to home and go to 2D and conceptual view. This is the conceptual view. Now I am going to draw or model my floor. So go to top view again and go to conceptual, go to 2D frame. Now you are in top view. So I have to draw my floor plan. The easy way, go to rectangle tool and draw this. Floor. Then I have to offset minimum 0.75. So offset 0.75, enter. And offset this one, enter. So I am going to delete this one. Here this is my floor. So you can go to the isometric view. So you can go to front. You can see here floor is go to top view. So click on here and click on this line and go to move, then enter the distance 3 meters, enter. Now you can see from front view, this is come to the bottom level of this wall. So go to change this 3D isometric view, then go to extrude, click on this rectangle, then enter. Go to down, then enter 0.1, enter. Flow is drawn. So go to conceptual. This is my. So now we are in isometric view. It's the time to cut out those opening areas. So click on this rectangle tool and go to this space. Draw a rectangle. The dimensions 1.2 and 1.5. This is our opening. From this center to above, our sill height is 0.75, enter. This is my sill height. Here you can see this from conceptual view, the place is on. So likewise, I have to cut those areas. Select this object and go to modify mirror. Select the axis, first point, second point. Then we have placed that window opening. Change the view and select the object and go to copy with midpoint and place everywhere where you want. You can place it. Use the 3D rotate, then you can rotate it by clicking this blue part. This blue part is rotating, then click on this over the view, then you can change to or parallel to our view. Then click on this one and copy it and place it where you want another side, or else you can mirror it. Click on this one and go to select that axis, then place it another side. Now here placed, so I am going to select this one and go to move and go to this side. Then select this one and make a copy, then go to another side. Click on here. Now we have all opening areas. It means we placed rectangle. Then now I am going to draw a door opening. So click on this one and make a plane. Then make a dimension is 1.05, 2.1. This is our door opening. So select this one and place it the midpoint. Now we have all opening areas. You can check it by conceptual. Now we have placed all opening areas. So now we have to subtract those areas. Easy command is press pull. Click on this press pull and go to bounded area, then this side. If you got this side, this is wrong, so go to another side. Click on this and go here. Likewise, we have to subscribe those areas. Now we have to model the window and door. So here window size I know that 1.2 into 1.5. So again go to rectangle tool and draw this plane. Go to and enter the value is 1.2, 1.5. This is my window size, so I can move it. This is my window outside. Here I have to offset the frame size is 0.075 and enter. The inside area you have to offset this one. This is our frame size, and here we have to insert a mullion. Click on this rectangle tool and go to a face, then type the measurements 1.2 into 0.05. This is our mullion. Pick this object and move this here. Then go to 3D rotate, then go to change this view as vertical, then pick a center point and place at center of our window frame. Then go to sketch tool and select the object and pick a point and extend up to our frame size. Use the extrude tool to extrude our frame. The thickness is 0.1. Then go to subtract, then outer space and inner space, then enter. Is subtracted. Next go to the extrude up to the mullion, our window frame size, then click it. So now my mullion also created. Now click on our union, then union all our object as a frame. Now we can move as a frame. Then go to rectangle tool to create a window sash. This is our dimension. So you don't want to measure, you can just create this and copy this object here and here same. So click here, then go to extrude, then pick those objects and enter. Go to here and 0.025. This is the thickness of our sash. Then you can pick those objects and click on move and go pick the center and go to center. Our window is created. Then you can select this object and right click, go to group and group. This is a group. You can move as a group. This is very easy. And pick a center point and go to our window area and place it at center. Likewise, you can rotate and copy all these objects, place wherever needed our window, you can place it. Likewise, we have to model our door. So I am going to draw this rectangle. Go to here, from here to here. Then I can copy it. This is my door outline. So we have to trim here, because not like our window, we don't have any other frames at bottom side. So go to home and make trim. Then make offset. Join this. Now we have frame. Now we have to insert our sash. Sash should be this side. So I am going to make this sash, draw in front of this door, then I will copy it another side. So this should be extruded 25 millimeters. This is our door. Then click it, go to move to endpoint. This is our door. Then you can make it group. Right to select this one and right click, go to group, make a group. This is another group bar. So click in this, then pick this point and go to fix here. This is our door. Our door and window are placed. Now we are going to make roof. In this case, I am going to explain the lean to roof. It means a sloped roof, only one slope. Now from left view, I can go to left view, then go to this and make it face, then accept it. Now this is X and Y, so I have to change this view as wireframe. Then I am going to open, so type line and enter, pick this point and go to angle. The angle should be 18 degrees likewise. Just 18 degree I have put it. Then I have to offset here. This is our eave, so eave line. Then go to extend, pick this line and extend it up to here. Here we have to put our wall plate. So wall plate size is at 0.1, 0.075. This is our wall plate. So wall plate should be placed here. So I am going to place it at this center. Now we have to move this line from here to here. Wall plate is here, so our roof will start from this side. Here I have to draw my rafter. This rafter size is 0.1 and enter. This will go up to here. Reapers, so click on this rectangle and make it at 0.05, 0.025. This is our rafter. Rotate it and place it here. So we have to end those. Go to 0.025. End. This is our roof material. The roof material should be same size. So from here to here 0.075. That is our offset of roof. This is our roof material. Here also I have to put my eave. So I am going to get a line from vertically. Then I am enter this one 0.75, enter, and this one. So this is eave. So I can extend up to this eave. Enter. Here our balance board, so at about 0.025, 0.225, enter. This is our balance board. You can move it. The section provided here, so same as the site also. Rotate it and you can view this very easily. So here also we have to enter those eave value. So here 0.75, enter. And go back to view and change this conceptual. Go to left. These objects should be copied. So copy. Go and move. Move this object. And here also I have to extend this one 0.75. We have to extrude this wall plate. Click on extrude. Click on this object and enter and pick this point. This is our wall plate extruded. As same, balance board should be extruded from here to here up to this one. Now we have to model our reaper, rafter and roof material. So easy. First we have to model our reapers. So reapers should be in place into this. So you can easily make that path array is best. So you can go to that view and you can make a line from here to here. This is our path. So go here and select this object and click on this array, go to path array. This path array we have to select the path, so this line is our path. Here path is created, but the in between space we can arrange. In between is just 0.36 millimeters. This better. Now we can extrude this one and click this one. Go to edit source and click on this path. Click OK. This is our path. So click on extrude. Click on this one and enter. Go here and click this line. Likewise, save changes. Is automatically all our reapers placed here. Also rafters we can do. So rafters I can move little bit inside. So click on this one and click this move button. Pick this point and go ahead 0.31 feet inside of this. Almost we done our reapers balance board. Likewise, now you can convert this conceptual view. Then you can see here our rafter and roof material we have to place. So first we have to model our rafter. So again I am going to change my view as 2D frame because it's easy and easy to work or manage. So click on extrude, click on this rafter profile, then enter. Go here and enter 0.05. This is our rafter size. Now I am going to place rafter along this line. So click on copy and select this object, enter. Pick the midpoint, right? Pick the midpoint and go here. If you go here, you can enter every distance, but easy way is there. Click on this array, and array I have to place 10. This is my calculation, so 10, enter. Then go to fit, then go here. From here to here inside 0.3 millimeter 0.3 meters. So right click and go to from here I have to enter 0.3, enter and enter. This is our rafters. You can identify the components. So click on here conceptual view. Here rafters also placed on our wall plate. Then you can roof material. So click on this roof material, go to extrude and go here up to this. This is our roof. So you can change the view and you can see it. So press shift and scroll button. You can rotate our view. You can identify here our materials and rafters all are placed very easily. Here we have to complete our building. You can use this same method to model this site also. First I have to complete this larger part. So here I have to complete this one. So before you can use the extrude and go to here and extrude this one above this line, and same as here click on this brush tool and go here and select those areas and you can extrude it up to here, same as other side. Go here and extrude this part up to here. We have extruded. We are going to slice this part. So this is the easy way is there. So go here and somewhere around you have to place a slice plane. So go to right view and go our juiciest and go to face. So click on this face, accept. So face is created. Now I am going to draw a line. This line will be a slice plane. So select this object and go to change the view, then go to extrude. So extrude this line. If you extruded a line, this will be a surface. So this surface will be sliced by this object. So use the slice command and select the object to slice, then select the plane. So if you select the plane, this automatically slice two parts. So you can delete those two parts and change the conceptual view. Now you can see that everything is completed. Here we have to complete this part. So I decided to place here a slab. So go to left view, change the view, go to face, go to use yes and change the face and place it here, go to accept. In this view I am going to change this part. So I have to model my slab. So go here, my spacing 0.7, so right click, go to from, pick this point from to here, 0.75, enter. This is my picking point. Then go to come here and enter the value minus 1.5 comma 0.075, enter. This is our slab. You can go to another view, go to use yes and W, enter, and go to change the view. This is my slab. This slab will be placed somewhere on here. So click here, then pick the point and pick it. Here, so if I should place, so click here and come around here, 0.75, enter. This is, so click this point. This is our E point. So click this point, click this rectangle and pick and place somewhere on here. So select this object and go and delete those objects. Now you can go to left view, then you can see this so nicely placed. So go to this view, move, place somewhere on here and go to 0.75, enter. This is our slab. So you can extrude this slab up to from here to here, so 0.75. So pick this point and go here, 0.75, enter. Up to this we have to extrude. So click on this extrude button and go to select this object and enter and place this. Now it's already created. So you can change the view to see all the objects. Here this is my line, so you can delete it, and any other things you can delete. So click on these dimensions, go to similar, delete, or you can clear those things. If you want to change the colors for these faces, you can do. So first I am going to change a color for this face. Press Ctrl and select the object. This face will be selected. Go to properties and the color I am going to change as red. This is my roof color, red. Red is selected. Or else you can change for this all materials also. So select the object and go here and change as red. So the total objects will be changed to red. And same as here, you can orbit these objects. So here also I can change this part as according to my wish. I can select the colors. So pick the color here, somewhere on here. Yeah, this is my